Connie and I are delighted to be here at the home of Radio 2AP, the voice of Samoa. Our story, our partnership began many years ago when the cyclone Ofa destroyed the telecommunications and radio tower. We decided in 1990 that we would build another tower, and that has served Samoa well through times of natural disaster by keeping people informed, keeping people in the loop when it comes to what is required in the event of a natural disaster. I've heard many stories of Samoan families huddled around a portable radio, listening to the voices of 2AP, informing them of current information and updates in the times of natural disasters. The fact is, our region is prone to cyclones, earthquakes, flooding, and there have been some very difficult and trying times for people. One of the first casualties in a natural disaster is the communication and connectivity that gives people hope, enables people to contact their loved ones, reassure themselves that their friends and family are okay. Tragically, they are often given news of loss of life and widespread damage. So connectivity and communication is absolutely vital to keep communities strong, to keep communities resilient. Radio 2AP has provided numerous services over the years, not only to the people of Samoa, but also Tokelau, Cook Islands and American Samoa. Today we're here because the radio transmission tower has come to the end of its useful life, and it's time to update, upgrade, to ensure that Radio 2AP can continue to provide essential services, that connectivity, that communication, keeping people informed. So the Australian government has agreed to grant over $4 million, about $4.1 million, for a new radio transmission tower. This project will be a partnership between the Ministry of Communications and Information Technology and the Australian Broadcasting Corporation. The ABC and Samoa have had a long-standing connection over many decades, and I'm delighted that this project will reinvigorate those connections. Australia and Samoa are long-standing partners and friends. We have a long history. We are bound by our geography, but we're also connected through our people. And there is a very deep affection in Australia for the people of Samoa. We think you're very good rugby players as well. And we hope that there is a reciprocal affection on the part of Samoans for Australia and its people. So, Prime Minister, we've had a busy day today, unveiling a number of projects in education, in health. We've discussed our defence and security partnership, but here today we're talking about 21st century technology to ensure that the people of Samoa and surrounding areas remain as safe as they possibly can be, as informed as they are able to be, and connected to each other. I'm delighted to announce the Australian Government's funding for the new radio transmission tower, Radio 2AP. Thank you.